How's it going, guys? It's Going Off Grid, and I'm just showing you the just shy of 1200 watts I just put on the roof of this trailer. 1170 watts. These are 390 watt panels. They're really nice panels. They're essentially they're two panels. That's one panel, that's another panel, and I got a really good deal on these. These are Canadian made, 25-year warranty, and I'm super happy I got these. Actually, I'll show you this real quick. I bought a whole skid. So yeah, I'm just super stoked. I had to take the TV antenna off to put this here, and I really don't need the TV antenna. When I go camping, I don't watch TV. If anything, right before bed we watch like a little bit of Netflix or something. Sorry about the noise. That was a very loud motorcycle. Yeah, so I used Silastic, or what you call it, lap sealant. It's the same thing the RVs use. That's what that is there. That's what this RV came with. Same stuff. That's just aged. That's why it looks different color. I put a crap ton around every spot where I mounted the panel. It's just a aluminum L bracket. I put 4 of them. This trailer's actually got a pretty strong roof. And then I just taped down with RV tape the wires. This is the inlet right here where the wires go into the trailer. I had put a decent sized hole for the wires to go through, so I put a ton of Silastic, and I screwed this thing down to the roof. And then these are supposed to be waterproof fittings, but just in case, I just covered the whole thing Silastic because I don't want any leaks. Again, more Silastic there. Yeah, I'm just super happy with this. Super happy. And I was actually thinking about putting the flexible solar panels on the slide, so when the slide pulls out, this would also be covered in solar panels, but we'll see. I still have some room for like a smaller panel there, smaller panel here, smaller panel up front, but pretty happy with about 1200 watts at least on the roof. Plus I have another about close to 1000 watts of flexible panels in the front bay of the trailer that I pull out when we're camping. So I should have close to around 2000 watts of panels every time we go camping, which are easily run this 13,500 BTU air conditioner with especially because it has the easy start in it. I can run a 3000 watt inverter and that'll run this no problem. I actually ran this almost all day today. It wasn't that hot. It was only 23 Celsius, but when you're working, that's still kind of hot, especially when you're not used to it. Anyways, I'll show you guys the inside. As you can see, it's clouded over. It was nice and sunny earlier. And we are not making a whole lot of power. I still have not got the charge controller mounted yet, but we're making 226 watts still. That's on flat mounted panels, so that's really good. I'm pretty happy with that. We have our wire coming in. I'm just gonna get a gray, or not a gray, a tan little cable hider, whatever they're called, cable railway, just a little thin little thing for those wires. And then it comes into here. I'm gonna do the same thing here, just a cable railway, and that's where it goes into the roof. Yeah, pretty happy with it. This little reliable is still running everything in here. We're set to reserve power, or like backup power essentially, and for normal, or for reserve. This battery here on this side is getting 1.2 amps, and probably the same thing with that blue battery over there. Two different BMSs. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.